Hello viewers, today I'm gonna review a voltage booster which model is XL6009E1. So let's first unbox it. You're gonna find it in this kind of packaging, or this packaging could be a little bit more gorgeous. This is cheaper one, so that's why it's not packed as well. So let's unbox it. So when we take it out, we find this module. There is only two terminal. One is input and another one is output. So we have taken a voltage source, DC voltage source, and we also take a DMM, which is digital multimeter, to measure the voltage because we're gonna test it. And yeah, there is another very good things here, which is a regulator. Using this regulator we can increase our output voltage, increase or decrease our output voltage. So in this module it has been defined that it took input of 5 to 32 volts. That means its input voltage is 5 volts to 32 volts, but using this input you can get the maximum voltage of approximately 35 to 40 volts. And in natural case we use this module to get 24 volt or 12 volt actually, and it's provide us 4 ampere current. Maximum current flow is 4 ampere. And another very interesting thing is it can be a switching frequency of 400 kilohertz, which is really a very high frequency. So let's check it out. So for this here you can see there is no header soldering. So first of all we gonna add here 4 header pins. So I took another module where I had been soldered the header pins. So let's check this module. So for this, first of all we're gonna take 5 volts of input. For this we gonna set our power source to 5 volts. Okay, let's took 7 volts here. So for this we're gonna set the regulator to 7 volts. Here you can see 7.2. so we have to connect this from input terminal to input terminal. So here the positive and negative portion has been defined, you can see it here. So let's connect the red wire to the positive, and the white one it's negative obviously, so negative one will be connected to negative part. So let's measure it. Here you can see to the output we find 29 volts, sorry, 26 volt or 27, it's varying. We find 27 volts. So we can change the value using this regulator. For this we have to use a screwdriver. So to use this regulator we're gonna use this screwdriver. When we let's check it. When we rotate it to the right to left, when we rotate it clockwise, maybe the voltage should rise up, or sorry, when we rotate this anti-clockwise, then you can see our output voltage getting down, it's decreasing. And when we rotate this to the clockwise, you can see our output voltage is rising up gradually. So let's check it out, how much voltage we can got from this voltage booster. Yeah, you can see it's crossed 40. Oh my goodness, here we find 43.9 volt. This very high voltage, I have to say, obviously. Maybe when we gonna use this voltage, maybe we can't it's not gonna provide us that much voltage. Whatever, let's check. So to check, we're gonna use a N20 gear motor, and let's use it. It naturally works using 20 to 12 volt or maximum 24 volts. So let's connect this to our output terminal. Okay, that's changing in very high RPM. So let's check now what is our output actually. Now we are getting, oh my goodness, it's still providing us 42 volts. That means our motor is now rating using 42 volts and it's fluctuating actually. So here we got, actually you can boost up your voltage from 7 volts to 42 volts, or more than that. Maybe we can find maximum 43 volts from this booster. And usually module to module the voltage output voltage may be differ, and naturally it's provides 35 volts very smoothly, but in very critical case you can find more than 35 volt actually. For you can boost up your voltage to 40 voltage, still the 40 to 42 voltage actually. So here we go. That's all about this module. And here you can see they are used two capacitor which are used to smooth our voltage, and it's very good things. So that's all about this module. I'm gonna review various kind of modules in our to my next videos. So if you are interested, just put the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.